Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So this video is going to be about offering different membership levels, different main menus. So we can see when we look at the main menu here that we've got the five things just within the main menu, and these are for our visitors. But what if we wanted to add a link here for members only? Let me just show you what I mean. If we go to the back end of the website, go to Toolbox, Menu Manager. Now, what we could do is see if the main menu's been customized, and if it has been customized already, it's going to be up here. If it hasn't, and it's not up here, then it's going to be down here. So if we click on main menu, we want to customize that main menu first of all. So I'm just going to add something to it. So I'm just going to add homepage, save. That's all I'm going to do to it. So I've just customized it on the front end. If we refresh, that's going to say homepage. Okay. But now it's up here. What I can do is I can clone the menu. So if I click on the options now increase. So if I go to actions, I can clone the menu. Yes. And then I'm going to go into my clone menu. And I'm going to go into the menu settings. And I'm going to say this main menu. I'm gonna do main menu 1. And you might change the system also to say that as well. It's up to you if you choose to do that. Just to keep everything uniform, I've changed the system name to main menu 1, and I've changed the menu name to main menu 1. Now, what I'm going to do is, instead of having join today, because obviously this menu is going to be available to one of my membership levels, instead of saying join today, I'm going to take that out and I'm going to put member content. So this is where all my member content stuff is going to be saved. We're going to save that. We're then going to go to finance membership plans. And what we'll do is, I've named it main menu 1 because I want it to apply to membership plan 1. So if I go into edit, you can now go into members dashboard and you can scroll down, and just here it will say logged in member main menu. So here what we're going to do is select an option. So if we select an option, we can select main menu 1. So this is going to apply to membership plan 1. We'll go back to the membership plan main menu. We're going to click on the number 3 because there are 3 members in this membership plan. And then we're going to log in as a member. Now we know that on the visitor page, we can see the home page, member directory, how it works, the latest news, and join today. But being logged in now as a member in membership plan 1, we can see we've got home page, member directory, how it works, latest news, and member content. So that is how you add additional menus, bit of a mouthful, additional menus to your membership plans. And you can make these unique for each membership plan. You just repeat the process of cloning that customized menu and then adding or removing the links that you want to. I hope you found that video useful, and thanks for watching.